and click on. You can download. I don't believe it's available Mac, right, Greg? No Mac? No Mac. But PC, you can download. It's free. You can see there's the main menu where you can always jump back, and then there's the different series of systems: cobblestone series, brickstone, circle stone, slate stone, Eurostone, Decrastone. So with this, we've tried, so let's just go to slate stone, because you heard Jim talk about that. You want to maybe do an easy 3-piece system. So you click on, if you're going to be ordering slate stone, hopefully you guys can see this. But there's information that you plug in on the left, and then you've got outputs once you hit calculate. So you've got the project title, the length, the width, or you can just simply type in the square feet. So we'll just type in 500 square feet here. The border length, right? Because a lot of times your borders are going to be a different paver. So maybe in this example, we'll just say the border is 100 lineal feet. And then you can select what paver you want for your border paver. So if you want a Decrastone double, a Eurostone double, Techstone, you know, whatever you want for your, we tried to include kind of what you guys, what we were seeing you guys put in with their products. We tried to include the border into each one as well of what you were using. So let's just go with a Decrastone border, right? And then you can select either a soldier or a sailor course. Edging length, sometimes you want your border all the way around, right? But maybe your edging is only on 3 sides. So we're going to say our edging is only 75 feet. And then the depth of base, if you're doing 4 inches, 6 inches, maybe we're doing a 12-inch, we're doing a driveway here. And then you can either do it in pieces or square feet, hit calculate, and as simple as that, you've got all the, you know, not only what you need for pallets and bands, but also how much weight, right? Because how many trips is it going to take you to get all your product there? And the other nice thing, you can go to print preview, and it'll print out everything that you show, plus it shows the pattern. So if you're going to try to meet with your homeowner in that, you can show them what the pieces are going to look like, what the pattern looks like for what you had typed in there. Any questions on our Willow Creek calculator? Hopefully it's a good tool for you guys for estimating. Super simple. Hop in, get how much product you need, how much weight you need. Sketchup. We're learning from you guys. Some of you guys have done different designs with SketchUp, so we offer a lot of our different colors, color palettes, is all free, available on our website. If you just go on to VERSA-LOK Midwest and go to Contractor Resources, all of these SketchUp different palettes, if you're going to create these different scenes, the kits we've done for you, so you can literally pop it in. And so I know it's an ever-changing world with the technology, and so if you guys are using different design softwares, if you don't see VERSA-LOK or Willow Creek in there, talk to your sales rep. Maybe there's something that we can help you get to you with design software that you guys are running. But this is the SketchUp is all available. You can see the different swatches, color palettes that we put on there, loaded up. You can make these different scenes. You can see how good I am at SketchUp. That's about as good as I can do. So.